In Book 3, Chapters 7 and 8 of Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative dives deep into the critical moments that define Paul Atreides' ascent to power among the Fremen and the pivotal developments that manifest his destiny as the Kwisatz Haderach. Chapter 7 marks a significant turn in Paul's leadership journey among the Fremen. Faced with the tradition of combat to prove leadership, Paul innovatively circumvents the need for violence against Stilgar, a valued and respected leader, suggesting that killing him would be akin to damaging a precious weapon before battle. This remarkable tactic not only preserves Stilgar's life and Paul's moral integrity, but also highlights Paul's strategic acumen. By framing his ascension within the contexts of prophecy and pragmatism, he fortifies his position as a leader destined to guide the Fremen to victory against their oppressors. The chapter is also punctuated by a tense confrontation between Gurney Halleck and Lady Jessica, whom Gurney wrongfully accuses of betraying Duke Leto, Paul's father. The misunderstanding is cleared when Paul intervenes, revealing Dr. Yue as the true traitor, showcasing Paul's role as a mediator and a bearer of truth. This incident underscores the theme of loyalty and the complexities within Paul's circle, further emphasizing his leadership challenges. Chapter 8 unfolds with Chani's return to Paul's side, prompted by Jessica's concern for her son. Paul has been attempting the ultimate test of consuming the water of life, a perilous act that has left him in a prolonged unconscious state, towing the line between life and death. This chapter delves deeply into the mystical and prescient abilities that define Paul's destiny. Upon awakening from his trance, Paul reveals his successful transformation of the water of life, signifying his official transition into the Kwisatz Haderach, the prophesied figure capable of accessing realms of prescience forbidden to others. His newfound powers provide him with an omnipresent awareness of the present, the now, allowing him to perceive the immediate convergence of threats against Arrakis from the Baron Harkonnen and the Emperor. Paul's strategic insight into the vulnerability of the Spacing Guild navigators to the spice supply underscores a crucial turning point in the narrative: the realization that he who controls, or has the power to destroy, the spice controls the universe. This revelation not only cements Paul's status as the Kwisatz Haderach, but also sets the stage for the impending conflict, highlighting the intrinsic connection between power, prescience, and control over the spice. These chapters are pivotal, for they not only detail Paul's rise to power among the Fremen and the consolidation of his messianic and political roles, but also set the groundwork for the climactic struggle for control over Arrakis. Through strategic wisdom, a deep understanding of Fremen culture, and a mastery over prescient abilities that surpass all expectations, Paul Atreides emerges as a figure of unparalleled significance in the desert world of Dune, with the promise and burden of destiny heavily upon his shoulders. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. If this video was helpful to you, please let me know in the comments and leave a like on this video. I love hearing from you guys, and it helps grow the channel.